Hello guys! Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-renew ng passport online here in the Philippines. First is to visit the passport appointment system. I-type lang ang www.passport.gov.ph sa web browser. Makikita dito na hindi na kailangan mag-set ng appointment if you are one of the following: a senior citizen, person with disability, solo parent, pregnant women, minor 7 years old and below, and overseas Filipino workers. Dalhin lang ang required documents sa DFA Isiana or any DFA consular offices at mag-avail sa OFW lane or courtesy lane. At para sa list of requirements to avail of this visit, i-click lang ang link na ito. Click po natin ang Schedule an Appointment button, then Start Appointment. So ngayon, i-check po natin ang box below, tapos select kung individual or group appointment. Let's proceed to the individual appointment. Pero pag marami or may kasama kayo na magre-renew, just select the group appointment. Same lang naman sa individual appointment ang mga fields na i-fill out ninyo. It only differs sa number of persons and of course sa fees na mababayaran. Ngayon, input po natin ang info ng site location. Region, Asia Pacific. Country, Philippines. Tapos po select your site location. At sa right side, makikita nyo ang office name and address. Click Next. Pumili ng available day and time for the appointment. Green color means it is available while the red ones are not yet available. And take note, all passport applications processed on Saturdays are charged 1,200 pesos. So mas mahal po siya. Choose the day and time, then click the box I'm not a robot and proceed. Ngayon, start na nating i-fill out ang personal info, and please be noticed na lahat ng may asterisk ay required na i-fill out. So let's start with the phone number, mobile number, then email address. Make sure po na valid at working email address ang i-input dito. Kasi sa email po magsisend ng info and updates ang system about sa passport appointment. Then continue lang po sa pag-input ng iba pang kailangang impormasyon. Pagkatapos ma-fill out, i-click lang ang next at sa family information naman. Input po ang pangalan ng father or tatay. Then dito sa pangalan ng nanay, i-input po natin yung pangalan noong dalaga pa siya. Then click next at proceed po tayo sa application information. Application type, just select renewal. Input your old passport number. Date of issue. Then, issuing authority po ay kung saan kayo kumuha dati ng passport. Then, continue inputting the informations needed and just click next afterwards. Ngayon, andito na tayo sa contact information. Ilagay ang complete address, occupation, office number, and office address. Pagkatapos, ito po yung lahat ng i-fill out natin at i-review po natin ito. At kapag tama at sigurado na tayo sa lahat, check po ang box na I'm not a robot. Then basahin at i-check nyo ang box na ito at click confirm. Dito sa payment processing type, pumili lang kung regular or express processing. Sa regular ay 950 pesos, 12 working days sa lahat ng consular offices. At sa express naman ay 1,200 pesos, 6 working days for consular offices within Metro Manila and 7 working days for consular offices outside Metro Manila. Pipiliin ko po ang regular processing at makikita sa baba ang summary. I-click lang po ang Pay Now. Dapat po mababayaran sa loob ng 24 hours pagka-receive ng reference number dahil kung hindi ay makakancel ang appointment booking. So ngayon, check I agree and proceed to payment. Andito na tayo sa e-payment services na may nakalagay 1,000 pesos total amount dahil sa additional 50 pesos for convenience fee. Click proceed and confirm. So ngayon mag-login at i-check ang email para sa reference number. At ayan po, may isinend na silang email. Just open and write down the reference number. Pumunta at magbayad sa napiling bayad center outlets tulad ng EasyPay, 7-Eleven, Western Union, or any of the authorized payment channels. After paying the amount, mag-login ulit sa email para sa confirmation email na isisend ng DFA. At ayan po, then click itong link na naglalaman ng application form and e-receipt. At pagkatapos ma-download, i-print po gamit ang A4 size paper. Lastly, pumunta sa napiling DFA branch on the appointment date and time. Present your printed and other supporting documents. Have your photo and biometrics captured in the encoding section. And then you can pick up the renewed passport or you can wait for the courier to deliver it. And that's it guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.